My dear students, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. I am Ramesh from Sananga in the district of Kendrapada, Odisha. But presently, I am a teacher in English at Sri Aurobindo Sikha Sadhan Talanda in the district of Jagatsinghpur, Odisha. Dear students, it is my first video, and today we will discuss about a very important lesson that is based on person and number. My dear students, it is very clear that English is a strange language. It is very easy for those who understand it clearly, but it is very difficult for those who do not understand it clearly. Therefore, I have decided to make short videos on the different topics only to clear your doubts. Today's lesson is person and number. It is very important to remember one point here is that person and number play a very important role in English language. Most of the students make mistakes while writing and speaking English. Only on these two categories of English grammar. Let us start the lesson person and number. In English language, there are three types of persons. How many types of persons are there in English? Three types of persons. Types of persons. They are first person, second person, and third person. In English, this category modifies. This category makes a relationship between a subject and its verb. Therefore, the category of a person is very important in English grammar. First person. The first person denotes the speaker. The second person denotes a person spoken to. And the third person denotes the personal thing spoken of. The first person is the speaker, the second person is the listener, and the third person about which the first person speaks. So, it is very clear that in English language there are three types of persons: first person, second person, and third person. Each person has two numbers. There is another question. How many numbers are there in English? Really, there are two types of numbers. Singular number and plural number. Plural number. The singular number refers to only one, whereas the plural number refers to more than one. It may be two or more than two. But one point you have to note here that this category of a number is closely connected with four categories of four classes of words. What are they? Noun, pronoun, verb, determiner. In other words, we can say that these different categories of words have both singular as well as plural form. So, here we can take examples of two sentences in which we will see how these four categories of words have both singular and plural forms. From the examples, I hope you will be able to clear your doubt and you will be able to clear your concept. Example, singular, plural. Pronoun, verb, determiner, noun. So the examples we will prove that these four categories of words have both singular and plural forms. The first example is he wants that toy. Look at the sentence. He wants that toy. In this sentence, there are four words. They belong to different classes of words. He is the pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. And once is a verb is an action word. That is a determiner. A determiner is a word that determines a noun. And toy is a noun. A noun is a naming word. If we analyze these four words, it is very clear that all of these words, the noun, the pronoun, the verb, determiner and the noun, all of these words are in their singular form. Now, we can take another example. They want those toys. Dear students, look at the second sentence in which there are also four words. They want those and toys. They is the pronoun which is the plural form of he. Another word, want, is a verb which is the plural form of the word wants. It is in its plural form. Those is a determiner which is the plural form of that. And toys is a noun which is the plural form of the singular noun toy. From these two examples, it is very clear that the number is completely related to these four categories of words. Then what are those different categories of words which are closely connected to numbers? They are noun, pronoun, verb, determiner. In my next videos, I will systematically analyze all the categories of words, but presently in this topic we have to know who is the first person, who is the second person, who is the third person, which word is singular, which word is plural, so and so. First person, second person, third person. There are three types of persons in English. What are they? They are first person, second person, and third person. Each person has two numbers, singular and plural. Singular and plural. Who is the first person singular number? I is the first person singular number. Because this word refers to only one. What is the plural form of I? We. We refers to more than one. It may be two or more than two. Second person singular number, you, and its plural form is also you. 1 point should be noted here that you is a word which is used in its single form both as singular and plural. I, we, you. These are the three words. I, we, you. Except first person singular number is I, plural number is we, second person singular number is you, plural number is you. Except these three words, all the nouns and pronouns come under third person. So he, she, it, they are in the singular form, their plural form is they. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. In this way, you can list the words which belong to third person. Actually, it is not possible on the part of anybody else to make a list of a third person. It is because the words like a noun and a pronoun come under this category, and the list of nouns is unlimited. But one thing you should remember here, that except only these three words, all the nouns and pronouns come under third person. We can take another example. Pen. The word pen is not among these three words. So It is third person. It refers to only one. Therefore, it is in its singular form. Its plural form is pens. We can write here pen and pens. Car. This word is not among these three words. So it is a third person singular number. What? It is a noun. Its person is third person. It refers to only one. Therefore, it is third person singular number. Its plural form is cars. You can write here car. In this way, you can make a long list of nouns and pronouns which come under third person. Today, I have already discussed about types of persons and types of numbers. There are three types of persons. They are first person, second person and third person. There are two types of numbers. They are singular number and plural number. Only four items are closely related to numbers. They are noun, pronoun, verb and determiner. So, it is my suggestion to all my students that at the time of framing sentences, you should give the basic concept of a person and number. Then you will never make any mistake regarding these two categories of words in English. Now, I hope you must have understood the basic concept of person and number. If you like or appreciate my teaching, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for getting information of my next videos, share, comment, like, so and so. My dear students, I hope I will upload a single video in a week. If you like me, and if you like, I will try my best to clear your doubts, and in the next video I will teach you another lesson which will be very benefited for you, which will make your bright future. I hope so. I pray God to bless you. Bye.